you have to force yourself not to use railing. So, I have a house in South Carolina, and I am moving down there. This is the front driveway course. Sandy, the realtor, has been amazing. This is your driveway. Around this tree right here is like a crepe myrtle. It's beautiful for about a week, and then all the flowers go away. Oh, there's a lifesaver, and that right there is a propane tank. Anyway, this is one of the two porches right here. And these are the steps that my father refused to put railings on because he wanted to force my nervous system to adapt to the stairs. So if I fell, it would be my fault and it would cause serious injury. It was good he didn't put railings because it did teach you how to go up and down stairs. Now, first when I was going up and down these stairs, I would do it on my butt, but eventually you adapt and learn. This is why you have to stress the nervous system enough. It doesn't matter what your neurological condition is, it's all the same thing. But anyway, this is the front porch, and we're gonna go in the house. And because it's brand new pretty much, I'm gonna take off my shoes, wash and dry. And pretty much every room has a fan or light fixture. That's like the utility room. This is just a powder room. And back here, there's a barn we used to have horses. And there's a pond over here. You might be able to see it. And then there's a second pond over here. This is one field, and we also have the back field. So a lot of land, almost 11 acres, 10 point something. And this is your kitchen. I'll say that's my water. And all the real estate stuff. But they did a really nice job. This was like our TV area. Now, this was a wood burning fireplace, but we converted to gas. That's why outside you see that propane tank and a mantle done by the bear guy in Wyoming. And as you can see, my father, mother, and me, but the new owner can sand this all down and put whomever they would like. But again, a very custom, very expensive mantle. And then, and these floors, what you see here, this is the color of the original wood. Tried to match it with this stuff when I redid the house, but it's hard. They don't make anything that exact color. This is the living room, as you can tell. And next up, I'll say the front door. But next up in here, we have the dining room. Very formal floor plan. You gotta think this house was built in the late 70s. And this room also leads to the kitchen. And now we'll go upstairs. Again, I'm trying to prove a point. You have to force yourself not to use railing. You want to grab the railing, but you have to take your time and force yourself. And I'm not gonna grab, because I want to lead by example and to tell people you don't have to rely on aids. And this is because I'm up here. This is just a air mattress. That's where I'm sleeping. When I was growing up, this was like a guest room. This was my bedroom. But obviously it's empty. Maybe you can see it's up there. But one of the ponds is there. And one of the ponds is over there. Obviously, we had this field, and the field back there. And that's a barn. And this is, one of the bathrooms. And everything is all new. Literally everything. About 80% of the house, if not more, is brand new. And because of the stairs and all the showers are up here, at first, when I got diagnosed with ataxia, I could not go up these stairs. So my dad had to take me out on the side porch and hose me off. And that's how I was able to shower. Next is the master. Or I'm sorry, that's actually racist now. You must say the primary bedroom. But this is your primary bedroom. And then like a little nook area. All getting closet. And all this, the glass doors, everything is all brand new. Every toilet in the house is brand new. Everything. And I want to show you the garage. So let's go back downstairs. Again, I don't want to use railings. I want to lead by example because I know you can also do this. You just need the right approach. Now, I don't have anyone else filming this, but I promise I did not use railings. I promise. Get the shoes on, and we'll head in the garage. Let's head outside. Down the stairs we go. I promise if you take our approach and you can go to our website, you can also become fully independent. Oh goodness. A big empty space. Now this garage was completely full. Workbench. All the cabinets are full. You gotta think, my father was a mechanic, so everything there was tools galore. But here's another space for a car, but we kept tractors back here. And that is a air compressor, and then more workspace. This was actually a lineable workspace. And then you have a wood burning furnace, but that's air compressor. But that's a garage. Not much to see. It's a big empty space. Now let's go over to the card because I want to tell you all something. That's a tour of the house and the garage. I hope you enjoyed it. To be honest, it's kind of a bittersweet moment. Yeah, this is my childhood house, but it needs to be sold. But if you're interested or want to see pictures of the house, be sure to check out the link in the description. And if you want to book a tour of the house, also contact my realtor Sandy. She has been great. You have seen me walk around the house. I promise you can also do this with the right approach. We have the right approach. I know everyone is looking for a cure. But to be honest, that cure is not going to happen for 20, 30 years. And if Big Pharma or the FDA have anything to do with it, which they do, that cure will never ever come out. My question to you is, what are you going to do now? We have the right approach, I promise. And please contact us. I'll put a link in the description. And please email us. I'll check our website. However you want to do it. We have the right approach. Like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. And anyway, I don't like having dirty cars. I'm gonna go wash this thing. Thank you.